I'm making right now, guys, on the cell. I kinda have tasks to do. I need to do a reservation with this pandesal for tomorrow because we're early tomorrow. I want a lot of margarine. It's still raining, so basically I cannot eat. I love pandesal with margarine. $20. So after eating a snack, so I did go out so that I could go to the bakery ready to do a reservation. And then the time I was there, I didn't have any clips since it was raining and I was holding an umbrella and a towel. So this is already the next clip will be already at the morning, which is 3 a.m. in the morning, while I was preparing to go to the bakery to get my reservation. Hi everybody. So I need to use my other phone to record my voice. So hi everybody. It's currently 3 a.m. in the morning during this video, and I am doing a voiceover because the time I reviewed the audio, I was basically whispering, so the voice was very low. I could not hear the words properly in the recording, so I'm gonna do a voiceover right now. And also, during this time, I am boiling a water so that I can drink coffee and then eat my pandesal, which is from yesterday with the margarine in it. So as you can see, I am pointing in there that I was boiling water. Actually, it's not that clear in the video, but I am boiling water in there actually. And as you can see in here, guys, look, I'm still sleepy actually, and look at my eye bags, it's already layering. Oh my gosh. And at the back, I'm boiling water right there. And then I did not have a clip that time I was heading to the bakery, but that is the 150 pieces of pandesal that I was reserved yesterday. Since I was far from our school, I wait at least 30 minutes or more for my classmate or for the vehicle to arrive. And after it, this is already the place where we gonna plant the mangrove.
Ya ma'am, kuha man dari.
Ulaton po sa
Ulaton gani malutay, igod po mabot sila.
may gani kay
And in here, our teacher gave us a assignment that we will submit this Friday. And look at that, guys. It's just so beautiful. I just wanna swim, but you know, I don't have extra clothes. And look at that water, the ocean. Oh my gosh, the beach. Nah, I just wanna go swimming, but I just can't since you can go home wet since you're gonna go sit with the classmate. And look at this, guys. I just think it was fun filming the water. And then look at that, they call that Dao Dao. And then this is us. Na, 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 na. and then there are actually some that are swimming, which is also our classmate, and I just posted this in my story because I just think it is cool, and I don't know why I did that, but I just think it's cool.